Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Extra out Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's weekend, so actually, let's see what happened and what might happen. So, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and don't forget that during the week, Monday to Friday, we go on our live sessions. Actually, before New York Stock Exchange. And remember, this week actually there is a core CPI which gauges the inflation. And if it's gonna go lower, then it's good news for NASDAQ, US30s, and stuff like that. We're gonna see the market going up. And maybe if the inflation is still going up, obviously the market is going to take a beating from that, and we might see the market going down. You see, so if you want to join the team, you know what to do. My WhatsApp, you will see my WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp link. If maybe if you can't, if you are unable to use the contacts, check the link for WhatsApp. Then it's going to take you straight to my inbox. So yeah, let's check what's really happening. If you want to do the team, there's packages you can see there. But as you know that I was still looking for 7 people to join with $50. If you are in South Africa, it's gonna be 800 for 12 months VIP signals. Listen, 12 months VIP signals, only 800, or if you are from outside, it's gonna be $50. So that is just a special. I was just waiting for other guys. If maybe no one is going to join from Monday, all the prices that you're going to see, they are going to be these ones that you see on the screen. So the special will be done. So yeah, let's see. Okay, before we go, let's go to the break. This video or stream is sponsored by the Marketplace, powered by Traders Central. Recently launched, the Marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you can play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase packs to fast track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access the Marketplace. Okay, thank you very much. So now we are on Bitcoin. Remember, I'm not going to waste your time, guys, as you know that during the week we have a very long session on our live session. So I'm just going to make it a bit quick so that maybe you can just get the update. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? I think it's quite straightforward. You can see that yes, the market was going down. Now the market is going up. So for those who don't really understand how we draw this thing on your trading platform, trading view, sorry, there is this thing curve. It's called curve. So instead of drawing a horizontal line a straight line like that, sometimes the market doesn't really connect nicely. There is no a proper reason to say maybe it's because the market sometimes doesn't give us a proper structure, and we know very well that yes, we have options that we can use as long as we still understand that the market is still pushing to the upside. You can see if maybe you start like this, it's not really that bad, but still, if we use it like this, starting from the bottom here, it makes sense. So there's no any serious reason why maybe you should not use the straight line or this one. It's just my preference. I think maybe it's working much better as long as I can connect more than 1 point. I think that way it's much better. So I'm on Bitcoin still actually on bullish. You can still see that the market moved from these areas. Now it's going higher and higher. We might still have a breakout push like this, and then the market might still create something like that. Yes, this trend line, we can adjust it nicely. As long as you understand that yes, the market is still maybe on that bullish. You can change that. You can still update that nicely. But this moves with a very nice curve. We know very well that the market is not going to just move straight, you see. So we just have to use different options. So yes, I'm still bullish actually on Bitcoin. So let's move to the next one. Unless if maybe the market breaks this area, I will be thinking twice and say maybe the market is about to do what? To sell. So German 40. What's really happening on German 40? Yes, we can easily see that the market was actually pushing up very nicely. So if we draw this line here, I think it's not going to show us the whole story. It's not going to tell us the whole story, because there is a chance for the market to do something like this here. You see, so which means this area will be broken. That's why sometimes I just have to remove that and say I will just try not to get on the fake breakouts and just understand what's really happening. I will say that maybe things changed only if this area start to be broken. That area, if it's broken, I will say no, the market is getting out of that support, which means maybe the market will be changing the trend. But currently we can see that the market is actually on that nice support. I'm expecting the market to push up, and we're still on the bullish move. So that's why I'm expecting the market to push the upside. So next week, I'm still expecting to do what? To buy. I'm still expecting to buy, unless if maybe the support is broken. But if it's not broken, I'm just going to relax. So what's really happening on gold? Yes, we can see that gold was actually on a very nice downtrend. Guess what? The market did change that. And now we start to do what? We start to see the market trying to push the upside. If we try to move closer, we can easily see that, oh, the market is creating something. I think I did create this thing on Friday, saying that maybe when the market creates something like that, it will give us another chance to have a proper support area where the market will be creating something like that very slowly. I hope you see that. But if you don't see that, maybe you'll see that tomorrow. Now, since the market broke out of that downtrend, the market is actually showing you that it's changing the direction. Firstly, the direction was what? Going down. After the market breaks the structure, the market starts to do what? To start to push the upside. Yes, when the market starts to push the upside or changing the direction, it doesn't mean that the market won't sell off. No, the market can still do what? Sell off, but at the end of the day, the market is pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Which is US oil. I hope you can see that. It's US oil. We are on a 4 hours time frame. So what's really happening? We see that we are still on a very, very fresh, nice, very strong downtrend. What's really happening is the market is pushing to the lower side. That's why we just need to keep selling. We don't really have to complicate things when we can easily see that the trend is actually going down, which means the market can do something like this. Pushing lower and lower. Do you see that? So we don't really have to confuse ourselves. You can even see that, yes, we also had an entry there as a sell stop. Yes, the market tried to push up and down, but at the end of the day, the market was still going down. I hope everyone already took their profit as the market was starting to consolidate. But what I like is we can easily identify the trend. The trend is going down, which means we're going to look forward for all sell positions that they might happen around these areas. We are still on the sell. So I hope you can see that the best thing that you can do in the market, for those who don't know, is risk management. Even if you are skilled, but if you don't really apply risk management, still the same, you see. So what's really happening on US30? We are on US30. I'm trying to be as quick as possible because I just want to make this video very, very short. Now we are on US30. Yes, previously we were on this downtrend. Now the market it's on bullish move. You can see the breakout there. The market already broke out of that resistance, and now the market is pushing to the upside. So I can say, yes, we can remove this nicely. And see what's really happening. So since we see a breakout, why not we draw our resistance line, so our support line, just because we're saying the market is pushing to the upside? Sometimes it's not easy, because when the market breaks, sometimes the market will give us a very steep, aggressive move like that. So it's not going to be easier for us to draw that support line. So why not we come with something? Why not we come with something? Yes, like this, it still might make sense, but the market can still break this area and start to push up. So at the end of the day, we end up getting confused and we'll have to adjust this. So the best way, I'm not saying it's the perfect way, but for me, the best way, I used curved. You see, I used curved trend. I call that a support, obviously. We can do it like that again. It's quite simple. Try it. It's very, very handy. It's very, very good, guys. We touched from this area. Let's see. We just try to be creative, guys. We need to evolve with this game because the market is changing this type of moves now and then. Yes, on Friday we did smash. You can see there. We did have a nice entry around that area. So let me just take that out. That was an area where we were supposed to enter. So we have something like this currently. What we have here is, I think it's quite straightforward. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. So what I want is, what I'm expecting, not what I want. I'm expecting the market to do something like this, push up. So if the market is going to push up, I'm expecting maybe to adjust a little bit my trend because the market won't just go with this type of steep. You see this steep move here, the market won't keep up with that. So it's not really sustainable. So we can easily do what? Try to adjust to the trend. Do you see that? That's why I really like that this type of a curved trend line. So, but remember, we're still on a bullish move. If the market decides to break this area, then it's where we can say, okay, the market is no longer on that bullish move. We'll see what we can do. But I'm still on a bullish move. I'm expecting to do what? To buy. I'm expecting maybe for the market to come. Let me zoom a little bit. Let me zoom. I'm very fast, but I can see that maybe it's still far. I mean, the screen is very far from you. So what's really happening is I'm expecting the market maybe to do something like this before pushing up. Yes, there is a chance for the market just to break this area, and above that area will do what? Will keep pushing up again. Simple as that. If the market does something different, yes, we're not going to go against that. As long as we are still on that bullish, we're not supposed to fight the market. Simple as that. Sorry. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. The one and only NASDAQ. So what's really happening here is, yes, the market is still pushing to the upside. You can see with the trends like this, let me just clear everything. With this type of a trend, it's not like everything is clear, and I start to hate this type of moves because now I'm forced to draw several trends lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to clear all those lines there and draw some fresh lines very, very quick. So what I want here, since I can see that, yes, the market is actually on this down, the market is already done with this downtrend. Now the market is pushing to the upside. So why not I use a proper trend line that is going to touch most of my lines here? So what I'm going to do is we can start from here. It doesn't matter. You can even start from this area, but I like to start from this area, and we can try to adjust our trend pushing to the upside. I can do it like this. You can see it touches most of the areas. You can see that it touches most of the areas. Then what I can do is I can copy maybe and paste something like that, but it means you still have to adjust that little bit. So let's try to make it like this to look nice, guys. We have to make this thing to look nice. So now we have something like this. It shows us that this thing is climbing. This trend line. The market is actually doing what? Pushing to the upside. You can see that the market is doing what? The market is climbing this trend. The market is going up. We call that an uptrend. We don't really have to go against this type of a trend. So what we can do is we can go a little bit closer and try to see what we can get from there. So we can try to come here. We did smash the market on Friday also. we can have something like this and say, okay. We also had something like that. I won't go a little bit back again. I will say maybe something like this also. Maybe, yeah, I think that it's fine. I think that is fine. So it means now our job is to do what? To know if maybe the market we will be entering here again. If the market comes back here, I'll be expecting to do what? To enter again. Also expecting the market to break and push the upside, something like this. Maybe to push the upside like that. And that is how things might go. But there is always another option. The market can still break this area and start to push the lower side. If that happens, obviously we will be here and we will be on a live session. If we won't be on a live session, obviously in the VIP group I will be updating everyone about the signals, and then we can start to eat. Remember, we are still on bullish. If the market breaks the support area, yes, we can start to think about maybe those bearish moves and stuff like that. But currently, we're still on that uptrend, and I'm still expecting to buy nicely. I'm still expecting to buy. So I think that's enough for today. That's enough for today. So yeah, if you want to join the team, just let me know. Just let me know. If you want to be part of the team, you can see the contact. I mean the packages there. You can actually choose the one that you feel like it's good for you. Those are the signals, and they are like serious premium signals for. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Extra Out Forex. Bye.